Good morning, students. In 10th class, we are doing chapter number 4, that is called quadratic equation, and we have done 3 exercises so far. So now it is our last exercise, that is 4.4. So in this exercise we are discussing the nature of roots of quadratic equations. So what are these? Take a look at this. First of all, we have to find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. If its value is greater than 0, then we can say that roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac that is equals to 0, then we can say that roots are real and equal. And if b square minus 4ac, that is if it is less than 0 or it is a negative, then we can say that there are no real roots. Now how to apply this formula in exercise? Take a look at this. First of all, in first question we have given that it is a quadratic equation and we have to check whether its roots are real or not. If it is real, then we have to find roots of the equation. So first of all, compare the equation with that is ax square plus bx plus c, and take out the values like a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to 5. Put this value b square minus 4ac, then you can check that it is a negative which is less than 0, so it has no real roots. So our question is stopped here. Now in question number 2, compare the values with ax square plus bx plus c and pick out the values b square minus 4ac. Put these values, you can check it that it is equals to 0. So we can say that roots are real and equal. If roots exist and they are real, then we have to find. So how we can find it? We are doing this with quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac का under root upon 2a. So put this value. What is the value of b? That is minus of 4 under root 3. Plus minus, discriminant was 0, so we are putting this value 0 here, upon 2 into a. What is the value of a? That is 3. So solve it. Your value is 4 under root 3 upon 6. Cut out, that is 2 upon 3 under root 3. Now you can leave the answer here, but if you want to proceed there, you can do this like 3 is, how we can write the 3? That is under root 3 into under root 3. Then cross the 1 under root 3 term. After cutting, what we get? That is 2 upon under root 3. That is our answer. So I hope you understand this formula and you know very well how to apply this in equation. So third part will be yourself. Try yourself. Now in question number 2, we have given that we have to find the value of k, and what we have given that roots of this equation is equals to roots of this equation is equal. So if roots are equal, then we know that discriminant will be 0, and this is an important question. It is always arrived in your board exams. So now b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Put these values, k square minus 4 into a into c. Solve it. Minus 24 move to right side, square, make it then it will make a square root. After that is to solve it, that is your answer is 2 into under root 6. Now in second part, kx x minus 2 plus 6 है. सबसे पहले आप इसे मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए अंदर. This is your equation. So put this value, you get 4k square minus 24k. Then take common out, that is 4k. So your bracket will be k minus 6. After that, compare these two terms with 0. Then 4k equals to 0 and k minus 6 equals to 0. So your answer will be k equals to 0 or k is equals to 6. That's your answer. Now in question number 3, what we have given? We have given that length of a rectangular mango grooves is length is twice its breadth. So take let breadth equals to x, and what is the length? That is equals to 2x. Now we have given that area is equals to 800 meters square. So what is the area? That is L into B. So 800 is equals to 2x into x. Multiply कीजिए, that is 2x square. 2 कटिंग कर देगा 800 को, that is equals to 400. एक्स स्क्वेयर है, स्क्वेयर अंडरूट हो जाएगा, सो 400 का अंडरूट क्या आएगा 20, सो योर एक्स इक्वल्स टू 20. सो हेयर यू कैन फाइंड लेंथ and breadth also. Then try it yourself. Now in question number 4 we have to find whether the situation is possible or not, and if so we have to determine present age. So first of all we have given that sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. So what we let age of one friend is x and other one is 20 minus x. Now after 4 years ago, then age of one friend is x minus 4 and age of other friend that is 20 minus x minus 4. So minus कीजिए, that is 16 minus x. Then given that product of their ages will be 48. So take product of these two terms equals to 48. Solve कीजिए, multiply कीजिए, that is in form of quadratic equation. एक्स स्क्वेयर को हमेशा हमने माइनस से फ्री रखना है, सो आएगा, सो माइनस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए तो आएगा एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस 20x प्लस 112. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू चेक वेदर इट्स रूट्स आर रियल और नॉट. सो पुट दिस वैल्यू इन बी स्क्वेयर माइनस 4ac. सॉल्व कीजिए, दैट इज नेगेटिव, रूट्स आर नॉट रियल, सो दिस सिचुएशन इज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. एंड व्हाट इज अवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ if condition is possible. We have given that rectangular park has perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meter. So what is the perimeter of the formula? That is 2 bracket L plus B is equals to 80 we have given. So 2 divided by so 80 is divided by 2, that is equals to 40. So first we have to find one value. So if we find L, then what is the value of L? That is 40 minus B. Now area is equals to 400 given. What is the value of area? That is L into B is equals to 400. Put the value of L, this one here. So आएगा 40 minus B is into B is equals to 400. मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए B को, then 40B minus B square equals to 400. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगी. ये अगर B square नेगेटिव में है तो इसे पॉजिटिव बना दीजिए. आफ्टर दैट कंपेयर विद द इक्वेशंस. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड B square minus 4ac. सॉल्व कीजिए, दिस इज 0. If it is 0, so roots exist and they are equal. So how we can find roots? We have to apply formula in x. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put these values, minus b that is minus 40. डिस्क्रिमिनेंट 0 था तो इसे यहाँ पे 0 वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. 2 इंटू 1 दैट इज़ 2. सो बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे इक्वेशन जो है हमारी b की फॉर्म में है तो हम x की जगह की क्या लेट करेंगे, दैट इज़ b. सो डिवाइड कीजिए 2 के साथ तो b की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 20. इफ़ b इज़ 20 देन लेंथ विल बी 40 minus 20 that is equals to 20. So students, I hope you can understand all the questions of this exercise and you can easily do in your fair notebook. Best of luck. Have a nice day.